Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the LANDALANYA replacement cooling fan designed for the MSI GE78HX and GP78HX laptops, specifically models MS17S1 and MS17S2. If you're experiencing overheating issues or your current fan is making strange noises, this could be a potential solution. This replacement fan boasts compatibility with the PBD18010SHR, N507, and PBD18010SHL N508 models. It operates at DC 12V and 0.6A, matching the power requirements of the original fan. The manufacturer, LANDALANYA, specifies an air cooling method, which is standard for laptop fans. One of the key features highlighted is the noise level, which is stated to be 6 dB. This is incredibly quiet, suggesting that this fan should operate almost silently. The maximum rotational speed is listed as 5,200 RPM. A higher RPM generally translates to better cooling performance, but it can also mean more noise. The balance between cooling and noise is crucial, and we'll see how this fan performs in that regard. When considering a replacement fan, compatibility is paramount. It's essential to ensure that the LANDALANYA fan is indeed the correct replacement for your specific MSI laptop model. Double-checking the part numbers, PBD18010SHR, N507, and PBD18010SHL N508 is highly recommended before making a purchase. Installation can be a bit tricky, depending on your experience with laptop repairs. If you're not comfortable disassembling your laptop, it's best to seek professional assistance. Incorrect installation could potentially damage your laptop. In terms of performance, a new fan should provide improved cooling compared to an old, worn-out fan. This can lead to better overall system stability, reduced thermal throttling, and potentially increased performance, especially during demanding tasks like gaming or video editing. The low noise level is a definite plus, as a quiet laptop is always preferable. However, it's important to manage expectations. While a replacement fan can certainly improve cooling, it might not completely eliminate overheating issues if other factors are at play, such as a clogged heatsink or dried-out thermal paste. It's often a good idea to clean the heatsink and reapply thermal paste when replacing the fan for optimal results. Overall, the LANDALANYA replacement cooling fan appears to be a viable option for MSI GE78HX and GP78HX laptop owners seeking to address cooling issues. The low noise level and high rotational speed are promising, but proper installation and compatibility checks are crucial.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.